You could never kick my ass, so kiss my clitoris. This ugly hag and Cassim G got matching noses.
You better hold more than your skirt, miss, please. I'm the queen of the Nile, so just bow down to me. Plus you got so much experience down on your knees. Married a writer, but I don't even think you can read.
Hush, 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 blush, blush, blush.
You are now my big fat crush.
I'm single as I can be. You're single, perfect for me. I'm gonna give you a bunch of reasons why you should date me. Reason number 1, I'm super high. Reason number 2, she's super nah. Reason number 3, I'm all you got, and all you got is someone hot. Boy, check my resume. You want a background check? Okay. First name hot and last name bitch. Wanna get with me now? That's a sitch. You think I'm trash? Oh no, I'm class, and I got a big fat ass, and all I gotta say is please date me because I'm single. S-I-N-G-L-E, love me, and hug me, and touch me, and, well, fuck me, boy. You think love is a game, and it drives me really insane. Well, I'm gonna give you a few more reasons why you should date me. Reason number 4, I got cute brows. You don't see it, I don't know how. Reason number 5, I got more personality than all your types. Walking down the street and I see a pretty fella, I say, hey, can you be the Troy to my Gabriella? Love me, your love is my drug, can't you see? I love you, why don't you love me? Invisible to everybody, I'm sick and tired of this shit. I just want a relationship, and all I gotta say is please date me because I'm single. S-I-N-G-L-E, love me, and hug me, and touch me, and, well, no. Hold up, wait a minute. You think I'm just a toy? Well, you are just a boy, and your love is a decoy. I really think you need some help, cause now I'm taken by myself, and I'm gonna give you a bunch of reasons why I love me. Reason number 1, I'm super high. Reason number 2, you're super nah. Reason number 3, I'm all I got, and all I got is someone hot. Boy, check your resume. You want a background check? Okay. First name no, and last name thanks. Wanna get with me? You lost your place. You think you own everyone? I don't belong to anyone, and all I gotta say is I love me because I'm single. S-I-N-G-L-E, love me, and hug me, and touch me, and, well, fuck you. Hush, 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 blush, blush, blush.
I am now my big fat crush.